So hello guys, today we will be making mikate. Mikate in English is called donut and mikate in French is called beignet. So let's get started. Right now I already have 6 cups of flour in this bowl, and you'll be needing 1 cup of mashed potato, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, some sugar, vanilla sugar, 2 of them, some baking powder, is yeast, some warm water, vanilla extract, and 2 eggs, and something to mix with. So let's get started. So first I'm going to pour in the mashed potatoes. Now the 1 cup of sugar right here, one teaspoon of salt, make sure not to spill it, and now I'm gonna add in the 2 eggs, and make sure not to get the eggshell because that's not good. Okay, I'm just gonna be putting it in here. Now the other egg, I'm just gonna be cracking it on here. Make sure you get all of it. Now I'm gonna be putting it here again, and then you put in the vanilla sugar, you'll be putting in both of all of them, ooh, sorry. And now the yeast that is already opened, because it's actually kind of hard to open. So now pouring it in. Get all of it. Now I'm going to be adding in the baking powder. And it's okay if you make a little mess. You can clean it up after you're done. Baking powder. And now you're going to be adding the vanilla. Full of vanilla. Now I'm going to be adding in the warm water. Only put little at a time, because don't put it all, or yeah. Make sure to mix in all of it. So I'm now done mixing. You don't want the mixture to be too hard or too watery. You just want it to be this consistency, a good one. Now you'll be letting it rise for 1 hour and covering it with some aluminum foil for 1 hour and let it rise. Now turning it around. If your bowl is big, you'll be needing 2 sheets so it can cover the whole thing, because you will be needing it to rise. So then after you can make it. And now I'll be seeing you after 1 hour. Now the mix the Mikate batter is now done rising. Now we're making the actual Mikate. Here it is cooking right now. So yeah. So guys, now do you see that it's changing color? It's cooking and it's changing color. Ooh. Looks good. Great. Yummy. Ooh. And guys, so subscribe to Momo Fam channel to get more recipes. And get us to more subscribers on Momo Fam channel to get more yummy recipes on our channel. So yeah. So now it's almost ready, and then we're gonna put more of these yummy taters. It's turning golden brown, as you can see. While in real life it's actually more lighter, but with what we're recording it's darker, but it's almost done, as you can see. So guys, now we're done, and we're putting the mikates on this plate with a paper on it. So yeah. And now it's done, and now we're ready to eat. So now you can put 3 kind of things on your mikate. It's optional. You can put peanut butter,